In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide rows in Excel using a shortcut, a valuable skill that can significantly speed up your productivity when managing large datasets in Excel spreadsheets. We'll start by exploring how to access Excel online, since not everyone has the desktop version installed. Head over to the official Microsoft 365 online page that offers free access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. If you're not already logged into your Microsoft account, this is your cue to do so. This step is crucial because accessing your Excel files online requires you to be signed into your account where your documents are stored, especially if you're using OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage solution. Now let's talk about the login process. Click on the Sign In button to get started. You'll be prompted to enter your email associated with your Microsoft account. It's essential to use the email linked to your Office 365 subscription or the one you use for OneDrive, where your Excel files are saved. After typing in your email, you'll click Next. The screen will then ask for your password. Go ahead and enter it to gain access to your account. Remember, maintaining the security of your account is critical, so ensure that your password is strong and not easily guessable. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to access your Excel files. For the purposes of this video, we'll use an example file that I've prepared earlier. This step is where you would navigate to your own documents stored on OneDrive or in any other location within the Microsoft ecosystem. Now that we have our Excel workbook open, let's move on to the main event unhiding rows using a shortcut. In Excel, rows can be hidden for various reasons, often to make the data easier to navigate or to conceal specific information that doesn't need to be visible at all times. However, there comes a time when you need to reveal those hidden rows again. Here's where the magic happens. To quickly unhide rows, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus 9. Yes, it's as simple as pressing these three keys simultaneously. This convenient shortcut instantly unhides any rows that are hidden in the section of your spreadsheet that you have selected or your current view. It's a nifty trick that bypasses the traditional method of unhiding rows through Excel's Home tab and the Format button, which can be a bit time consuming, especially if you're working with a particularly large file. Let's review why this shortcut is so handy. Usually, unhiding rows through the menu requires several clicks and navigating through options. By using Ctrl plus Shift plus 9, you save time and effort, allowing you to work more efficiently in Excel. This is especially useful when dealing with large datasets where multiple rows might be hidden, and you need to review or edit the hidden data quickly. Remember, keyboard shortcuts are all about making your life easier and your work faster. There are numerous shortcuts in Excel designed to minimize the time spent on routine tasks. Mastering them can dramatically increase your productivity and enhance your data management capabilities. In summary, today we learned how to access Excel online, sign into our Microsoft account, open an example Excel file, and use the Ctrl plus Shift plus 9 keyboard shortcut to unhide rows quickly. This tip is just one of many designed to help you navigate Excel more efficiently, saving you time and allowing you to focus on the more critical aspects of your work. So next time you find yourself working with a spreadsheet and you need to reveal those hidden rows, just remember this simple shortcut, practice it a few times, and soon it will become second nature. And that's it for today's tutorial. Happy excelling, and see you in the next video.